Can I see?
No. Stop cheating.
I will take a jhadu
Because
and I
it's
will run after you and I will kill that girl and I will kill you and you're like, you're over. So what's the game, Ankush Bahuguna?
Okay. So we're gonna pick up a chit each and we're gonna like read out the question and we're gonna choose. And since you're indecisive as fuck, it's going to be a task. Who goes first?
I think me.
Wow.
I'm gonna choose a pink slip. Ew. Would you rather have anal sex or threesome?
Very interesting. Wow,
Hate.
this just makes things easier for me. Like I'd never have to ask.
Ew, Ankush. I am discarding this question.
No, you cannot.
It's against my integrity.
Would you rather date someone extremely funny or extremely attractive?
He'll choose someone who's extremely funny, not
That-
attractive, because
That is.
he needs to be attractive enough for the other half to be attractive, guys. Like, so.
So she's calling herself unattractive. I rest my case. I rest my case.
I hate this. Can I choose?
You. No.
I chose, like, this is not the one.
You have to.
Would you rather have him reply K to everything you text him or not get replies at all? I'm going to choose like not talking to him at all.
Would you rather give or receive in the bedroom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Don't answer that. I'd rather give in the bedroom. I'm a giver. Moving on.
Again, I have this word sex written on all over it. What is this?
They know you.
Ew, no. Would you rather give up your favorite food or give up sex for 6 months?
There is no fucking way she'll give up food.
Yeah. Can't you see, guys?
You give up sex, I'm walking right off.
I actually will give up food because, needs.
Would you rather have your parents walking on you while having sex or you walking on them having sex? Oh my god.
I have like this bad visual, like I'm just imagining.
Can we stop? Can we stop discussing this, please?
Just,
I think I'll just stop having sex from this point.
this is interesting. Would you rather be caught cheating or catch your boyfriend cheating on you? I think I would love to catch Ankush cheating on me. That'll be damn fun, man. I will beat
Yeah,
you.
because-
I will kill you. Like I will take a jhadu
Because
and I
it's
will run after you and I will kill that girl and I will kill you and you're over. Like Bahuguna is over.
She's slightly scaring me right now.
I'm psycho like that. You can't cheat on me.
Would you rather change yourself for your significant other or change them for you? Okay, I'll change her.
Why?
I'll
What?
change everything about her if I can.
Wrong
I'll change,
answer,
I'll
wrong.
change this first of all. I'll change this.
I love my hair. Stop.
I hate colored hair.
You
What would
wish.
you change? Like, would you rather change yourself or would you change me?
I'm a nice person.
So you'll change yourself. So we both agree on something she needs to change.
I have again gotten a sex question. Ankush, it's not funny anymore, yeah? Okay, would you rather be walked in on while having sex or get injured by having sex? I think getting injured by having sex. I mean,
You'd rather
YOLO, guys, YOLO. You only live once.
Which is why you prefer being injured
Yeah, whatever. It'll be at least fun and wild and like,
and hurtful.
like hurtful and like palang tod and all like.
Would you rather have your girlfriend make you breakfast in bed or gift you something you've been actually saving up for? She sucks at cooking. Sorry.
I'm incapable of anything you want from me.
I think no. You're capable of giving me gifts. So give me gifts. I love gifts.
Fantasies.
Can you like stop?
I love keeping my legs here, yeah? Okay,
Intense.
very, very intense. Would you rather have someone cheat on you physically or emotionally? I'm going to read it again. It's very heavy. Would you rather have someone cheat on you physically?
I'm not cheating on you. Stop looking at me like that.
Neither.
You can't choose neither. You have to.
Neither.
She's not answering any question. Answer it.
So if you cheat on me physically, it's fine. I'll be like,
Sorry.
I knew it. Love this question. Would you rather have your boyfriend go mute or deaf for a day?
She'd prefer both actually. I know.
No, I really would love to have you mute for a day, not speak at all, just not listen to your voice. It just gets too much sometimes. Just take it literally. Go mute. Oh, he's actually mute. Yay!
Would you rather be handcuffed or spanked?
I want to know.
Of course you want to know. I'd rather be handcuffed, I think. Your turn.
No, it was your turn. Your turn. I just took out this thing. Your turn.
She has to cheat even when there's no need to cheat. Would you rather have a short but passionate relationship or a happily ever after with someone not so exciting? I think I'd choose. I think I'd have a happily ever after with someone not so exciting because
What do you even know about tomorrow, Ankush? Nothing. You know nothing about tomorrow, so can't just
बड़ा
think
ये
of...
जवानी है दीवानी का रणबीर कपूर है ना.
Would you rather take your boyfriend shopping or watch a movie of their choice? I'll go to the movie all day, every day. Never go to the mall with you. You don't know the brands. You know nothing. I can't.
I only go out shopping like once a month, and it's fine if I take like the whole day to buy a shirt.
Yeah. Sulking all the time.
Just because I'm not fashion forward doesn't mean that like my
You
fashion.
don't have to be fashion forward. Everything fashion forward. No.
But would you rather get dumped in person or over the phone?
Rude. The latter is very rude. Very rude. Get dumped in person. Be a man. Like, get dumped in person.
Getting dumped has nothing to do with masculinity.
I mean, just face it like,
Yeah,
Ankush, I'm leaving you. I mean, you have to just yeah.
Bye.
See? Yeah.
No, I'd rather have someone break up with me in person because if they're gonna dump me, then they better have the guts to like walk up to me and say.
That's
to
what
my
I'm
face.
talking about. You're there. You're reaching there. You're coming. Yeah. Would you rather have your boyfriend orgasm really crazy or get a crazy orgasm yourself? What does this even mean?
I'm not helping.
I'm
you.
serious. What does
Not
this
helping
even
you,
mean?
Not helping. you.
Oh,
I think you
it's it's there to choose whether I'm selfish or not, right? Like, I think you all should be selfish some way or the other in your life.
Listen, never give a TED talk in your life. Never give a TED talk.
Okay, I think I'm going to be
Selfish.
yeah, of course. I mean,
Okay, one second. Huh? So there are two
yeah,
chits.
you
Two
can't
chits
be
left.
like reading
There
them,
are-
keeping them down, and choosing them. Choose one.
Would you rather have sex in the car or sex on the beach? I think I'd rather have sex in the car.
Why no? It's
Sex-
very like
Sex on the beach is like, I think it's overrated. There's sand involved. You get
Yeah.
sands in like all sorts of places, and people could like walk in on you.
That's amazing. Beach on the sex is
Beach on the sex is amazing. Beach on the sex is amazing.
at least it gives you the space to do whatever, you know,
Beach on the sex.
like
Yeah, you have yoga
Whatever.
for that. You have yoga for that.
car is pathetic, like
Car.
a beach. Okay, last question. Would you rather be forever single or be in a bad relationship for the rest of your life? Nobody's watch your chest, darling.
Being forever single is far better than being in a bad relationship.
Yeah.
Just walk up. Just
Can't walk out. Okay, guys, thank you for watching another episode
Nobody's listening
and
to you.
handling the both of us. Stop being so annoying. We'll come next week and have more fun and do more challenges.
Sex questions, you always know the answers.
Inappropriate.
Sorry, guys. Cut it out.